first thought that relates to Planilac is it's a very contemporary and versatile product which complements current trends in the international market. It's extensively used globally, and we also are getting clients positive reciprocation on its look and feel factor. I think if you get even more colors, that will be very useful, as it should go with our specific theme in the particular project, so that will be very helpful. I think the newly come up grey color, we use it quite often. I love that shade. I think the team here in India is quite well, and they get back to us in like few minutes, which is even better. And whenever we need samples or if we need a mock-up, they are more than happy to provide it. So I think it's a very good team which is built up by Saint-Gobain in India. Yes, we are working on Barclays, Wipro, Consulate of Israel and British Council, which we are using Planilac for. I think it has even more scope than Planilac, because the main thing that we have to first place ply and then we have to paste the Planilac over it, which takes a lot of time and money as well. So if you are launching this product, it will be very helpful to architects that we can directly use it as a partition, and as I already said, it's a very versatile product, so we can use it even extensively than we have been using it previously. I think more in collaboration areas, in conference rooms and private offices, because we always use it as writing board, and of course in receptions and lobbies as well, to give a very contemporary look and feel. It has a very positive future, as the color just a paint people are very much bored with, and if you get glass itself is a very enhancing product which enhances interiors a lot, and I think if you get lacquered glass, it has a very good future that we can use it in all the areas and it will give a very contemporary look and feel again. We work with a lot of consulates, like we have already done more than 3 consulates in India, and we are working on New Zealand and Israel embassy in Delhi. We also work with a lot of financial and banking sector clients. We are more of corporate interiors oriented company, and yes, we have also worked with Firmenich, which is perfume and flavor based Swiss company. So our clients vary from financial, banking to perfume to developers. So, but yes, we mostly work in corporate interior sector. We specifically use Planilac because of its solidness. In local back painted glass, you always see that there is something incomplete. It looks a little bit transparent, which doesn't give a look of actual back painted glass. And I think Planilac has a solid color backing, which looks really fantastic. Of course it is. It gives a new dimension to design, because you can use it in so many ways that it really helps a lot us designing in many other ways. I think we can extensively use it in conference rooms as writing boards, because you can just put the partition as writing boards and you don't have to use anything else over there. We also design many agile spaces where we have a lot of collaboration areas where you have to collaborate and write stuff. So we can use Planilac there as a partition again. So I think those are the main areas, and of course we use it in reception areas as well. Basically, to do away with complicated partition, it will help a lot to all the architects.